How to add a photo on TikTok Live background. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can add any photos from your camera roll on your TikTok Live as a background. But before we get started, head down below to give this video a like and hit the subscribe button as well. Let's begin. First thing first, you need to open up your TikTok, and as you guys know, the bare minimum requirement to go live on TikTok is 1,000 followers. And once you get 2,000 followers, you will have this live option unlocked on your TikTok. If you press on this plus icon, you'll find the live option. So what you want to do essentially is tap on this effects icon and then find the green screen effect. What that will do is it will allow you to download any or upload any picture from your gallery as a background. So here, for example, if this is your TikTok live, you'll find the filters or the effects icon. And from here, you're going to tap on the search bar. And here you can search for green screen. And once you find it, you can see this one right here. Tap on it. You can upload any picture from your gallery like this and make it as your background. You can even adjust its size, change the picture if you want, and take a picture like this. And this will be set as your background on your TikTok live. If you found this helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.